Give me a second, everybody. Give me a second. Yeah, I have a 20-second delay on the chat. Alright, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. This is the FX boss. Not your boss. Well, maybe in the future, right? You're not going to like it. You are not going to like it. No problem, boss. No boss is nice, right? Just joking, just joking. Alright, everybody, welcome to the Professional Forex Traders course, Professional Forex Trading course 101. And never forget, trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way. And Julius, and Shola, and Clara, and Ernesto, and Ala, you are trying to get from 0 to a millionaire trader in 3 years. So let's get to work, right? And of course, on Dukascopy in an institutional way. What does this mean? First the analyst, then the trader. Alright? And never forget, you're going to graduate from this course. Number one, when you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number two, you have your strategy in place, you understand why you win, why you lose. And number three, you have a complete understanding how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Read disclaimer, these streams are not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn. And never forget, 90% of world population lose money in the financial markets, right? This is the statistic online. It's public. And for questions and homeworks, you have the Gmail, you have Skype for webinars, seminars, workshops, whatever. Alright, everybody? Did I forget anything? So, your strategy and the different market behaviors, part 4. Hello, Ernesto, how are you? Everybody, not just Ernesto, do you have your account linked to MyFXBook, everybody? It doesn't matter if you have a strategy, it doesn't matter if you don't have a strategy, it doesn't matter if you're a beginner, it doesn't matter if you are a professional, it doesn't matter if you are a semi-professional, it doesn't matter if you are an advanced trader, and it doesn't matter if you are an intermediate trader or an analyst. You should have your account, if you want, linked to MyFXBook. It's for free, or something equivalent. I'm busy at work, it happens, sure. Alright, everybody? So I'm trading with the group of beginners so far, and this morning we had, and everybody, if the power goes down, we have a mega storm again. Alright, and Wednesday, so we have GBP news when I was sleeping, and 1 hour ago, 1 hour and a half ago. Hello Clara, how are you? ATT or New York or any other. Simple question, what local time zone do you use with your charts? On JForex I'm using New York close, settings, preference, general. Yes, AAAT. Alright. And Israel lives in New York, so it's 1 hour behind. Let's check if this is still working now that you are asking widget. So what is this one? Cannot. So it's 11, right? So the day is going to finish at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. which is going to be 7, right? So it's cool. It's cool. You know, it's 11 a.m. my time plus 6 hours 55 minutes is going to be 7 p.m. my time, and it's going to be 6 p.m. Israel's time. So it's New York close. TradingView doesn't work, I believe, Ernesto. I'm not sure that TradingView has the New Year close charts. If you can help me, Ernesto, here. I never checked, but last time TradingView didn't have New Year close charts. Trading and left click, come on. And basket, Heraldo, export, rename, sharing. Settings, right? Settings and events, trading, position, others, backed execution, labels, canvas, no idea what is this one, status line, scale line, symbol name, bid and ask, date format, trading hours, symbol, I don't know where to look. Down at the clock, let me type here high. Down at the clock, there you can change the time zone. Down at the clock. Down in here. Help center, object oriented data window, notifications, streams, idea streams, chat, my idea, calendar, hot list, alerts. Down at the clock. Oh, clock, create alert. Now I'm lost, Ernesto. What clock are we looking at? Are we looking at the clock on the right or clock in here? Go settings, symbols. So settings and symbols. And oh, time zone, UTC. Well, but this is on platform, makes sense? UTC -4, New York. Apply to all. Apply to all, okay. So the chart is showing me 10 a.m., but I'm not sure that the candles are the same. Make sense? The candle should be different because, well, I'm not sure. This is the daily candle, and I don't know even how to put it. Then it's going to left click maybe? No. Right click maybe? Symbol, data window. I don't know, Ernest. I don't know how to verify, you know. I believe this is the platform, you know, talking about TradingView, but I'm not sure that the candles are that the daily candle is going to close at New York. I don't know. All right, everybody. And give me a second. So everybody, your strategy, right? Your strategy, profit. The biggest loser so far is GBP CAT. Not closed yet, we are here. Market making lower lows, lower highs. And the biggest winner so far is USD CHF. We had the news announcement, 15-minute chart, and now it's too soon for us to build a position, re-enter. We're going to leave it there. And let's see if the boss knows what he's talking about. The boss is prediction. Not a guarantee. These streams are not trading or investment advice, everybody. But the boss is predicting that euro dollar is going to break the low on the weekly chart. Hello, Allah, how are you? All right. I'm predicting that this market, because of everything that we've learned so far, all right, I'm predicting that there is a 80% chance that the market, this is the weekly euro dollar weekly chart, I'm predicting as an analyst I'm talking to my trader, which is me, by the way. I'm talking to my trader, which is me, that this market is going to break this low. And I'm telling to my trader that when the market is going to break this low, it's going to retrace to some level that I don't know, and then it's going to go back down. And I'm predicting to my trader, which is me, that euro dollar, long term is going to start making lower lows and lower highs. It's going to start to trend down on the weekly chart. Hello Julius, how are you? Alright everybody? Is anybody in any trades? Boss, show me your trades. Remember, I'm not trading everything because I need to be fair to the beginner group. I cannot act out of the hour. But so far we are buying GBP CAD, we are shorting euro dollar. All of those are long-term trades. We're trying to get the direction right. Shorting CAGF JPY, the Lambo trade, shorting AUD CAD, shorting NZD CAD, and buying USD CHF on the monthly. All of those are long-term trades. We're trying to learn the direction. But Ernesto and Ala and Julius and Clara, you are more skilled, aren't you? This is beginner trader stuff. We are together for with this group of traders. We are together for what, 4 weeks, maybe 3-4 weeks, right? So is anybody in any trades? Hedge fund trader Ernesto, hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader Ala, hedge fund trader Clara. Clara, you were, let's check GBP USD, right? GBP USD open. Give me a second. I'm already buying your, what is, Julius, type in the chat, what is the strategy rule? Let's see what happened yesterday for Clara was cancel and replace. Clara did cancel and replace. Not sure where we were talking about. Cancel. Oh, it was not the daily, it was the 4 hour, right? 4 hour chart. 4 hour chart, maybe? Just maybe? Alright. Clara, are you happy? Market going your way still? Market still going your way. And let's go to Euro CHF. Sorry, I viewed the video. Alright. Thank you, Ernesto. Have a great day at your job. Not really, but you want to be. Just joking. Julius, what is the strategy? Fibonacci is the market broke this, so this is Euro CHF 4 hour chart. Everybody, give me a second. Come on, J4X, stopped working. Alright. And 4 hour chart, right? So Fibonacci out, the market broke this Fibonacci, the market broke this Fibonacci, broke the Fibonacci, broke the Fibonacci, and we are here on the 4 hour chart right now. Clara says, yes, I'm happy. Julius, what is your strategy telling you to do? And if we are talking about the Fibonacci's, right? Because we are at the lower band potentially, and tomorrow we have the news event, and this would be the what it's called the blackjack setup on the red, and we have triple bottoms. Trade any pattern on my trading time frame and conforming pattern Alright, so what pattern? Let's see if Julius is breaking rules, everybody. Oh, again me? You want to learn, right? Pick somebody else. Like in school, like in primary school. The teacher is looking, you know, and it's looking in your eyes and you're thinking, pick somebody else, please. Not me again. Julius, you again. Again me, teacher, please, no. Alright, what pattern? Everybody? What pattern? So I'm going to say hi again. Train any pattern on my 4-hour chart and confirming the pattern on the daily, weekly and the monthly. Right, what pattern are you trading on the 4-hour chart? There is no right or wrong, but I'm telling you that most likely you entered prematurely. Most likely. Crown. Do we have a crown on the daily? Julius? Crown, crown, crown. Everybody, crown is the holy grail, right? Julius, between those 3 lows on the daily, is the first circle the lowest low? Is the second circle the lowest low? Or is the third circle the lowest low? Type in the chat, everybody. Which one is the lowest low? Ah ha 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 ha. Do you see a crown? Indicators out. Do you see a crown on the daily? Clara, you too. All of you too. Alice is number 1. Everybody, do you see a crown? This morning, Julius was me in another webinar, seminar, stream, everybody, and I was talking to beginner traders, and I told the beginner traders that if you are not going to speculate, you don't have an entry on Euro AUD, you don't have an entry on Euro CAD, you don't have an entry on Euro CHF, you don't have an entry on Euro JPY, you don't have an entry on Euro NZD, you don't have an entry on all of those charts. If you are trading the 15-minute chart, 1-hour chart, 2-hour chart, 4-hour chart, you don't have an entry right now. Talking about price action strategies, systems, color, super trend indicator, it's another story. But you don't have an entry. When you have the trading time frame and you have the confirmation time frame, those 2 suckers, you don't have an entry. And one of the beginner traders challenges, me too, back in time, alright? Not personal. We tend to force the market. What does this mean? I'm entering prematurely from what I think is going to happen. Clara says, no, you don't have a crown. Julius says the second. Yes, there is a crown. Please look. Please look very well. Alright? So number 1, right? Number 1. The lowest low, Julius, the lowest low is this one, alright? So this is number 1. But even if you say the second one, you know, you would have left, center, and this one, right? So this is the crown that Julius is looking at. Everybody give me a second, something like this. and we go to the widget and left click, everybody, color black, and down in here, give me a second. So this high is at 96011 and this high is 9601 and this is 9602. So yes, it is a higher high. Alright, Julius, this is a higher high, agreed? But this is the lowest low. What is the low? 9515, and this is 9. Oh, it's the same. Oh my gosh, it's the same. 0.95150, 95150. Allah, we were wrong. Those two are the same. They are not the same. They are not the same. They are not the same, everybody. So high, if you want a high, right? High, this is a high too. This is not a high, not a high. So this, we're going to take this one. Or that one, the same. High. So if this is the low, right? And 9648, 9649. So this is still a higher high, right? This is still a higher high. So what crown, everybody? What crown are we looking at? Not a high. Well, I can do it like this. Maybe this would be, but can you see, everybody? Julius, there is no right or wrong. What do you say? Are you premature in the market? Which crown? Which crown, everybody? Boss, but this is a higher high. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Which one is the relevant crown? Is the orange the relevant crown? Or is the red the relevant crown? Which one? Is the orange the relevant crown? Or is the red one the relevant crown? What's the difference? This, if you are looking at the red, this market is going to, this market should break, this market should break, give me a second, this market should break this high. If you are looking at the red crown. If you're looking at the yellow crown or the orange crown, then it's alright. And talking about the Fibonacci sequence, if you want, you are not going to like it, but this is the AB, this is the AB, and talking about the Fibonacci, this market is going to, we don't know how, we don't know when, but it's going to retrace too. Alright, everybody? So Julius, if you are having doubts, improve your strategy, everybody. Make sense? Those two crowns are not the same. Alright? Improve your strategy to understand everything starts from the market wave. Lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Everything starts from the market wave. So when you have a shortened trend making lower lows, lower highs, something like this, and then higher highs, higher lows, you know, something like that. And here you are waiting, right? You are waiting for a reversal. So lower lows, lower highs, and you are waiting for a reversal. On the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, are you trading and looking for this crown? Are you looking for the violet crown? Alright, everybody? Does this make sense to you, Julius? Those two are not the same. The one is a short-term trade, is the retracement trade. The other one is a change in the market wave. Those are the big direction changes. You know? This is the change on the monthly chart, on the weekly chart. Those are the big ones. And those two are not the same. Make sense, everybody? If you are buying down in here the blue, but you are trading the violet, you are entering prematurely. Make sense? Boss, how do I know? You choose. You choose. Make sense? You have theory on the right and you have the live market on the left. If you are trading the blue, then it's alright. But if you are trading the red, then you are entering prematurely. Does this make sense? Oh, this is all the same. This is not all the same. If you believe or if you think, now nobody likes, right? Nobody loves the truth. If you believe that those are the same, how is your MyFX book doing or going? Numbers don't lie. Alright? And remember, you are not doing this for me, you are doing this for yourself. If you are a profitable trader, my life is not going to change. If you are not profitable, my life is not going to change either. Alright, next. So, talking about alignments. Talking about alignment, Julius. Well, it's still risky, but still risky to have the stop loss down in here. Still risky, right? Wow, and I have another one down in here. Potentially this market can go down too. Potentially. And from the weekly chart, what is the weekly telling you? What is the weekly telling you? We've learned trend lines. Give me a second. This would be one trend line. This would be another trend line, and left click, right click, and like this. And give me a second. Boss, teach me more. All right. So we have two different mindset. All right. Two different mindset. Two different mindsets that operate subconsciously. Two different mindsets that operate subconsciously. Two different traders' mindset. And two different traders' mindset that operate subconsciously, Julius and everybody else. Alright? Text. One is trading from what he or she thinks is going to happen, trying to predict the future as a trader, operating like the stock stochastic indicator. This is one mindset. One is trading from what he or she thinks is going to happen, trying to predict the future as a trader, operating like the stochastic. The stochastic is showing you the buy zone and the sell zone, right? If it goes down here, it's telling you to buy, and when it goes up in here, it's telling you to sell. But as you can see, everybody, sometimes it works, sometimes like in here it doesn't work, right? Stochastic going up and the market going down. Stochastic going up and the market going up. Alright? This is one. So edit label. What's the danger? What's the danger? What's the danger? So danger, Julius, danger / risk. Those traders are trying to pick markets bottoms and what's the other word, everybody? The opposite of the bottom, it's a not a high. Floor and ceiling bottoms, and my English right now, help me out, everybody. You have a floor and the ceiling, so bottom and what's the other word? Trying to pick and / catch bottoms and tops. Thank you very much. Tops, bottoms and tops. Tops, bottoms and tops. All right, which is extremely difficult. Alright, even for a professional trader. Alright, everybody, two different mindsets that operate subconsciously. One is trading from what he or she thinks is going to happen, trying to predict the future as a trader, operating like the stochastic indicator. What is the danger or the risk? Those traders are trying to pick or catch markets bottoms and tops, which is extremely difficult. So from the monthly chart, I have no indication that this market is going to go up. From the weekly chart, alright, double bottoms, but still, the trend lines are down, down market wave, down trends, whatever. And Julius is, not right or wrong, but Julius is buying already. Make sense? This is one. Now, the other one, give me a second. The other prefers to wait and enter at confirmations on the alignments and operates like the MACD indicator. Now, I'm going to write risk just to be fair, because you are going to tell me, oh, it's not fair, you are talking about danger and risk when it comes to me predicting the future, but then you are not saying anything about for the confirmation. So how can I rephrase this, everybody? So it's not danger or risk, so difference, difference. They might enter late compared to the other mindset. Fair enough? Those are the two different mindsets. So there is no right or wrong. We're not judging anybody, everybody. We're not judging anybody, everybody. So, but if I go here and add indicator MACD, potentially MACD, right? MACD, and I do something like this and edit indicator, so out this one and let's do it the same, and maybe like this and like this. Alright, See how MACD operates, everybody? So stochastic in here, the first mindset, let me left click right. So the first mindset is going to short the market in here because it's operate like stochastic. Oh, we're in the sell zone and it's going to sell. MACD, it was in a buy zone buying. So MACD was shorting the market in here. Can you see? Now, nonetheless, the stochastic reverts too, but this was the entry from the stochastic when the market went down a little bit, went back up, and then down again, where the MACD was waiting for the signal, meaning MACD is going to give you a signal after that you have the confirmed trend. Make sense? And this is how you trade, dear traders. Oh, what is best? You know, whatever. I don't know. Get back to work, watch the webinar later. Alright, Julius, thank you very much. Alright, which one are you? Hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Ala, Shola, and everybody else online who is quiet. Which one do you think you are? Not judging anybody. You know, give me a second. The first mindset is problematic because you are trying to catch market bottoms and tops. And like Julius, if you are wrong, so you are, again, it's the winner-loser cycle. Making money, losing money, making money, losing money, making money, losing money. You're making money but giving it back to the market, and you're making money. You have two good trades, but then you are trying to catch a bottom because you know this market's going to reverse, and you are giving it back to the market. Alright? In 2023 is no different for you and your account like 2022. And 2004 is not going to be different than 2023. Now, I cannot say right or wrong, but this is what you are fighting with. Make sense, everybody? There is a nice quote in the psychology of change. We find the enemy. Really? Yeah. Where is it? It's inside us. Isn't this nice? Nice quote? You know, managers, business owners, whatever may be the case. Traders too. We find the enemy. Oh, really? Where? Here. It's inside us, you know. You are fighting with yourself, everybody. Makes sense? Not right or wrong, but this is the danger and the risk. Makes sense? You must understand that this is not the market going against you. You must understand that this is not the broker again going against you. This is not the charting software going against you. You are doing this to yourself. Shola, I think that market will soon reverse. Should wait till market reverse, or should I continue to trade if it in reverse? Shola, according to your strategy. Julius, it's already in, going long. In my opinion, I'm this mindset. I prefer not talking about right or wrong. There is no right or wrong, but I prefer being like the MACD. Wait for the monthly to show you something. Wait for the weekly to show you something. You know, wait for the daily to show you something, and then you enter on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart. Make sense? Not right or wrong, simply different. I saw a crown on GBP JPY. Please check if mine crown to buy or to sell, Clara. GBP JPY out. Gasoline crude oil. Thank you very much. Whoops. GBP JPY. GBP JPY, me personally, I am long. GBP JPY. Me personally, I am long, everybody. Give me a second, give me a second, give me a second. To buy, alright, for our chart. Remember, crowns are reversal points, reversals. Oh, was this GBP? Was this one not GBP USD, right? Cancel and replace, Clara, right? Yes, we have a crown. Congratulations. Left tip, center tip, right tip, crown. Wow. Anybody bought the crown? You might be late to the party, Clara. You might be late. I mean, good job, number one. Congratulations. Congratulations, good job. But you might be late to the party. The signal to go long was in here, everybody. On the crown. Alright. So we are going to see. You can wait for, there is no right or wrong, but you can buy or you can wait for another retracement. Alright, and as Julius said, I need to see something from the higher time frame, which is the daily in this case. Daily chart, talking about the Fibonacci's. Everybody, give me a second. A to B, and now the market hit the. Give me a second, everybody. This would be, and I need to readjust the Fibonacci. So somewhere up in here, and this would be the low. Let's be precise. Fibonacci is a precise tool. So there you go, and the B, it must be a high, so B high, B, that's the high. Alright, so we have the new Fibonacci sequence. This is the confirmation Fibonacci, and everybody, what do you see from the daily? How, talking about probabilities, buying a crown, and there is on the 4-hour chart, what's the probability of a crown? Based on what you see, there is no right or wrong. You know, what's the probability of this market? See, everybody, this is what we're talking about. Yes, I entered. Congratulations to you. There is no right or wrong. The stochastic mindset is going to tell you buy the 4-hour chart because I know the market is going to break this high and the market is going to make higher highs, higher lows. This is one. The MACD mentality is going to tell you wait for the market to break this high first and then we are going to have a conversation. Make sense, everybody? There is no right or wrong. But if you buy in here and if your stop loss is in here and the market is going to stop you out, then the manager is going to call you in the office and is going to ask you, Clara and Michael and Shola and Julius and Ernesto and Sink and everybody else, why did you buy a downtrend? Make sense, everybody? The smaller the time frame, the more skilled you must be. When you, give me a second, high. When you say enter at retracement, can I look for that in lower time frame? End of retracement? No, not the lower time frame. The higher time frame controls price action and movement on the smaller time frames. Everybody, it's all a matter of risk, make sense? There is no right or wrong. You can buy the crown on the 4-hour chart. Yes, you can. But do we agree that you are buying against the short-term trend? Do we agree? Do we agree? So when you are doing something like this, you can just risk less. Make sense? This is the theory: extension, retracement, extension. It's a no-brainer. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And here is the kicker: higher highs, higher lows. Alright? And we've learned all of this, everybody. We've learned all of this. Somebody is going to enter in here. Alright? Just risk less. Somebody is going to enter in here. What's the difference? The first buyer is speculating. Make sense? It's taking a chance. It's picking tops and bottoms. When the second trader, before he or she is going to enter, is going to see a confirmed uptrend. So if you enter in here, alright, just risk less compared to this guy. Alright? There are no guarantees anyway. Now the market can still go back down and go into deeper retracement. But Clara and Shola and everybody else, you have a deeper understanding of the markets. Times 100 trades, some number is going to show to you. Make sense? This market behavior is not going to happen 7 times out of 10. So if you are doing this stuff and if you are not managing risk correctly, I'm not going to say anything. What is my FX book showing to you? Or if you enter in here. Make sense? Those are two different mentalities. Boss, how do I know? Look what you do. Look at your trading journal, whatever. Print pictures. Check your entries. Check your... Boss, how do I know? It's easy. How do I know? You go on a MetaTrader. You click on account history. Right click and all history. And you go one by one by one by one. Comments. You go one by one by one. And you figure out, did you enter prematurely? Did you enter prematurely? Did you enter prematurely? You know, you go one by one. And you can see if you are in a stochastic mentality. Don't judge yourself. This is subconscious behavior. Or you are in MACD mentality. Alright everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong. Is MACD part of what you will teach us in Forex Course 101? Sure. Clara, but it's nothing special, make sense? You can go online, YouTube. There is nothing to learn there. It's just an indicator now. Alright everybody, see you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade like a responsible business owner, because you are. Trade like a boss.